This is DVD 1 of 4 of Better Wood Heat, covering a collection of events from 2013 to 2016. We're trying to not duplicate information in our previous 4 DVD set that covered one gathering in October of 2012, which included fire science, classroom and demonstrations on the many properties of fire and the 3 types of heat. Sneaky heat, focusing on how a rocket mass heater works and how it can heat the same space with 1/10 of the wood of a conventional wood stove. There's some classroom time, some history, and a rocket mass heater is built. Boom squish, details on the risks of building any of this stuff and on pressurized rocket hot water. Hot rocket, rocket stoves, including a cook-off between a rocket stove and a propane turkey cooker, pocket rockets, Dakota stoves, tools, and a poor man's forge that didn't need any bellows. Interest in these 4 DVDs was huge, so we created 4 more videos to complement the first 4. We felt there needed to be a single standalone DVD that had a strong focus on the how-to for building the most basic rocket mass heater with cob. That is the video you are watching now. The second DVD is pebble-style rocket mass heaters. A different aesthetic, much faster to build, can be taken apart and rebuilt, a little lighter, but doesn't hold as much heat as cob style. The third DVD is rocket mass heater shippable cores. We build 8 different cores and cover the issues of a dozen different designs. The fourth DVD is about the Rocket Mass Heater Innovators event. We start off building a very basic manifold, then move on to the innovations. Matt Walker builds a J-tube style rocket cooker and smoker with an outdoor butt warmer. Then he builds the rocket mass heater equivalent of an outdoor campfire. Ernie Wisner does some experimenting with cleaner burns in longer burn tunnels. Tim Barker builds a J-tube fired rocket griddle, oven, and water heater. Peter Vandenberg sweeps the event with his Batchbox rocket mass heater and tests it running cleaner than anything ever measured. All 8 DVDs are about fire. You can burn yourself with any wood stove, and you can burn yourself with any kind of cook stove or oven. You can burn yourself with hot water, fireworks, smoking, playing with electricity, chemistry, or matches. Depending on the context, this can all be very serious, and you should be careful, or it can be really funny.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about rocket mass heaters, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.